người khác vào đây. Cầm thật chặt là được.
I got a fish.
Alright guys, good morning. Welcome back to day 4 here in Vietnam. We are on an island called Phu Quoc still. This is Rory's bar. We have spent pretty much every evening here having a couple of drinks, a chilled out sunset vibe. It's a wonderful place. 8 in the morning, they're not serving drinks or food, but we decided to come down and have a little swim this morning to kickstart the day. Last night was very, very tough because Lawrence and I were both getting absolutely savaged by mosquitoes in our beds. So they were in the room, but they were also in the bed as well. So we've got bites everywhere, even across my forehead and the back of my ears. So it was a bit of a difficult night's sleep. The best way to deal with that is to go for a little swim in the sea. Today we're going to meet up with the girls, Philippa and Lydia. We're going to go on a little boat trip. We're going to be going, I'm not sure, they've booked it, and we just said, yeah, we'll turn up. So I don't know where they've booked, but we're going to be doing a little snorkeling trip today. Phu Quoc is renowned for having some great snorkeling spots. It's Lawrence's birthday. He's just getting out of the water now, and it's going to be a really good day today.
Hello. How are you? Good?
Thank you.
Good man. Here's a birthday boy. Happy birthday, master. How are you?
Good.
Tired?
A lovely swim.
Good swim?
Yeah.
Find any fish?
Yeah, I got bitten a million times. $50,000 for one, and we have the fresh squid, the fresh one. Do you know when you want to enjoy the fresh one? You look at the color. You see the color change. It means this is the fresh squid. You see? So our seafood very fresh and delicious. So
What are we doing now, Lawrence?
Going fishing.
Fishing. What are you going to catch?
A snake.
A snake. I'm only here for the big boys. They're messing around with no little fish. Well, I say that. Still haven't even caught one. Everyone else around me's had about 6.
You're shit.
I got one.
No, you haven't.
Yeah, I've got one. You can feel a little rascal biting at the end, eh? I got a fish!
Yo, George, what's up?
You just murdered a fish.
Killed it. Just looked at me, you know. Hello? It's called the water telephone. Then we come to island number 2. Just had a bit of lunch. Completely forgot to film it, but it was good. It was nice, tasty. And out the second island, we are going to go and explore a little bit, get a little bit lost, get in the water as well to cool off. Let's go, Mr. Benson. Try and find out how to get on those rocks. Guys, I'm telling you now, I actually don't know the name of this island right now because I wasn't really listening earlier, which is quite bad of me. But I will leave the name in the description for this island because this may be one of the most majestic places that I've ever stepped foot on in such a small period of time. But they've got swings, they've got hammocks in the water. Vietnam, you are definitely pulling all the strings today for sure. I think our boat is ready to leave though, we should probably get back, yeah? You got to get on the boat? Okay. I'm going to leave you back in the safe hands of the birthday boy. This is all you now, brother.
Cheers, bro.
Her body's gold like September. She burns through the night like an ember. And all those things we try forgetting, I remember. But we say we all fine, we all